Alright, I'm finna get into this late night POV drive. I ain't gonna lie though. Motherfucker, I got a little check engine light, but I got the part for it. Ain't nothing major. For my mechanic been on bullshit for. Who the fuck is that? The police? And I need some gas, so I'ma tap back in with y'all as soon as I get some gas in this motherfucker. Alright, I just pulled up to the gas station. Finna put some gas in here, and then I'm finna get into this POV drive. Damn, 58? What she looking like though? Just only had it for about probably a month. I ain't finna do too much talking though. I'm finna get to this POV. Alright, I'm finna hop in sport mode. I ain't gonna do too much talking though. Finna just get this late night POV drive. Let y'all hit the engine and shit. Yeah, I just got a muffler delete, a resonate delete, and I got a K&N drop-in filter. Video ain't gonna be too long. Just some little shit. Damn, it's dark as hell. Yeah, this is my first POV though. I ain't gonna lie. This motherfucker loud as hell. The police probably coming to get me. come and get me, y'all. Waking up the neighbors. They probably, yes, a car over here acting like no one lives in the neighborhood. I need a GoPro, y'all, so y'all can really get the angles of this, what I'm doing out here. I bet the neighbors know my name. Now don't copyright me up. Take this pillow right here. Grab this. I know you so I need it. I need it. GoPro so y'all can get this raw footage. I'm probably swinging with the phone in my hand. What's that behind me? I know the police in that neighborhood I just came from. I'm not gonna even lie. Oh. Oh. Wee. Hey, you guys. This is brutal, raw, uncut footage. I ain't cutting nothing. I'm gonna post it all. This is what y'all wanna see. Tell them they don't need to be driving they your digs. They'll be driving them how y'all wanna see. Motherfucking brake going bad. Police be hot on this side of town. Or should I just run? I should have went the way that them other chargers going. That was just 2 chargers. Where y'all think they going? Where y'all think they headed to? They probably going to my house, ain't it? To hit it, but I thought that was the police. I'm gonna hit it once I come to this stop sign. Run. Is that what? Run away, love. Run away, love. Alright, I'm finna wrap this video up though, y'all. I told you I ain't gonna do too much. That's a little something. Little fender bender. Little get you going. I'm trying to get y'all one more turn. Just one more turn. I ain't got no turn coming up for a little minute, ain't it? Get y'all one more. I know it's a turn up here somewhere. Get y'all one more little drift or something, man. Drift.
this one.